Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and in today's video, it's gonna be a short and sweet one, baby. We're hitting you with a short and sweet bad boy. We are doing another Mark's, driving and talking video, but recently we hit 100,000 subscribers, so we made like a sort of celebration week out of it. We made a couple of pretty big videos in order to celebrate it. If you haven't seen those, go check the channel. They're the most recent videos, like top 100s. I'm talking top 100, and then the day after that, top 100 again, and then the day after that, top 50. But you know about that? You don't know anything about that. We were making some big old videos. So in order to, relax it all and close off the week, I want to talk about the future plans for this channel. So what does that mean? What is Mark talking about? What is, well, pretty much like it's just a short and sweet video. Again, like I said, it's probably gonna be like 10 minutes long. I just want to talk about what my plans are going forward, not even with just this channel, but with my personal life. I feel like I don't talk to you guys enough about my life, like what's going on with Marky the Rodent. None of you guys know. So first off, let's talk about the channel, the Mark Roden channel. I have made an actual upload schedule now. So I wrote it down in my notes and everything. I got it all planned out of what I'm gonna do going forward. So I'm going to make a video Monday through Saturday, every day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then Sunday I'm gonna take off, obviously, just so I can have a day off. It's like a job, so I have a day off of that. And yeah, I'm gonna upload every single day. Now on Mondays is going to be a top 10 video, but most likely a top 10 of something random, something like top 10 underrated Teslas, top 10 EVs, top 10 something that isn't to do with cheap cars, though, is what I'm trying to say. Just a top 10 video, right? Then the day after that, Tuesday, is going to be a good, bad, and ugly, because you guys seem to like those, and so I'll make one of those every single week. Then the day after that, Wednesday, is the first of the top 10 cheap cars. So that's an obvious one. You guys know what that is. Top 10, whatever, top 10 this, but for under $5,000, whatever the idea is for that day. Also, look at this, guys. We're changing up the route today. Everybody says that they're sick and tired of seeing the exact same route in the Mark's talking and driving videos. Don't worry, partner, we're going this way. What? Yeah, baby. Oh my, this is gonna make it look like I'm incredibly rich and that I'm a daddy's money kid, because this part of my town is like very, very successful, but I'm not, so just gotta put that out there. Anyway, Thursday is going to be a hopefully a deep dive video. I'm hoping to get at least one deep dive hopefully one deep dive video out per week from now on, and so that's gonna be the plan for that day. And then Friday is hopefully gonna be a Mark talking and driving video slash vlog slash so Mark's talking and driving video, vlog, or a build, or if I'm hanging out with my friends or going to an event or something that's going on in my life, so you guys can get a little bit personal with me on Fridays. And then on Saturdays, I really don't know yet. I'm kind of thinking, okay, third top 10 video, but second top 10 cheap cars video will be a good Saturday way to finish off the week, because you guys like those the best, obviously. So maybe one of those to finish off the week. But I'm also kind of trying to experiment. I want to do car reviews in real life in terms of like driving people's cars and reviewing them, kind of like, that dude in blue, the Topher, guys like that. Like I want to do like actual car reviews. Or I'm also thinking about doing subscriber car reviews, seeing what you guys got and ranking them and giving you guys a rating, all that mumbo jumbo. So let me know what you guys think for Saturday. It might end up just being like a wild card day where I just do whatever video I'm feeling like doing that day. Who knows? But the rest of the week, like I said, I have started planning it out, so we got an actual steady stream going. In terms of like goals, I know people are probably gonna be like, oh my God, are you gonna hit 200K by the end of 2024, blah, blah, blah. I don't ever really set those kinds of goals for myself, if I'm being honest. The part that I like personally is the comments. I like seeing people being happy, seeing people getting help from my videos, and so that's, my goals are more real life stuff rather than like the YouTube channel too. Like I don't really care about the numbers on my YouTube channel. Obviously, if I get 1 month on YouTube where they give me $3,000 and then the next month they give me $5,000, obviously I'm going to be happier with that. Like, who wouldn't? But overall, that's not really what I look at, is like subscriber count and view count and money and watch time and all that. So I don't really look at that stuff. I more look at like, just, is my channel alive? Do people still enjoy watching me? And if they do, because you can get 1 million views, but if all the views are people being like, I hate this guy, then it doesn't matter. What does it matter? I'd rather just I'd rather have a good image in the car community and have people like me and enjoy watching me, but have a very small number of people that do that, rather than have a bunch of people watch me, but 90% of them hate me, you know what I mean? So that's more what I worry about. So in terms of like those kinds of goals, I don't really have any, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it'd be cool to hit 200K like in a couple of years from now, but I'm not really like, you know, so caught up on it or anything like that. So I don't know, that part of it, not too sure. In terms of real life goals, I mean, I have like goals in terms of like cars I want to buy, sure, but again, that's another thing that's kind of like, I just kind of wing it. But I guess we can update you guys on my real life, what's going on in Mark's real life. What is he trying to do? Most of you guys know that I'm trying to buy a house for my first time ever, trying to buy a rental property and become a landlord to hopefully make some side profit, you know, some little profit on the side. Yeah. And that's obviously a lot of money, and that's kind of the reason why I haven't bought the new car that I want to, because I also want a car. I'm either thinking G37 Coupe, Q50, 340i F30, or Audi A5. Those are like my 4 big ones really that I'm thinking about, but who knows what'll happen on that. I change my mind on what car I want pretty much every single day, so that's kind of all over the place. But yeah, I'm trying to get a new car instead of the Integra, and then hopefully after that build up that car, sell the Integra, use the money for that from the Integra to build up the other car, and just kind of do it over and over again. You know how it go, so that you guys have some content to watch. But yeah, I'm trying to buy a car, but first I gotta buy the house, and so that's kind of eating away. This is my first time ever doing it. They don't teach you how to buy a house in high school, so I'm sitting here trying to figure it all out. Even if they did teach me how to buy a house in high school, I wouldn't have known because I didn't pay attention. So it would either way, I'm trying to figure out how to buy this house, going through all the processes and stuff like that. My credit score is okay. I make decent money per year for my age at least, and so, you know, they're giving me some good quotes and all that, but at the same time, it's still just so stressful and so time consuming trying to deal with that at a ripe young age of 23. So yeah, we're trying to get that going, and so that's kind of taking up a lot of my time in real life. Again, with the car thing, that will happen eventually. I just gotta buy the house first. Once I get my foot in the door with the house, the car is coming. But as of right now, there's no real point for me to buy a car when I have the Integra. Is that John? That's my friend John. But anyway, oh, that guy's waving to me too. I don't know who that guy is though. Oh my god, I know everybody right now. But anyway, as I was saying, what was I saying? Now I got distracted because my boy was back there. He had dirt bikes and he was probably having such a fun time today. What was he doing? I want to go dirt bike riding. Anywho, yeah, those are my like real life plans. Just trying to get, you know, a nice car. I'm really trying to like spend more time, you know, with friends and just doing things. It's becoming summer again. Well, it's becoming spring here in Connecticut. It's getting pretty nice out. Like today, it's actually really nice out. And so I'm trying to start doing some more stuff outside. Get active, baby, because the winter sucks. If you don't live in the winter, if you don't live in winter states, just know that it makes you so lazy. You just can't do anything all day. It gets dark so early. It's cold. It sucks. And so now we're getting back to the warmth. So I'm trying to do some more activities. And that's another thing I really want to do is I really want to this year go to more like racing events. You know, I live 15 minutes away from Lime Rock, and Lime Rock is a very popular track, obviously, that has like racing events literally every weekend. So I'm trying to go up there some more this year, get some footage for you guys, maybe do some vlogs up there. If I get rich, I could buy a car and bring it up there and race it, stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do some more of that stuff this year. Just all around, just have a better year. Like last year, I was honestly pretty lazy. I didn't really do much. And this year, I'm trying to get outside more, do some more stuff, just make some more memories, baby. You guys know how it is. You guys get it. Oh, and then the final thing I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about is my other channel, in case anybody cares about that. I do have a second YouTube channel. If you look up Giggity GTA on YouTube, you'll find it. It's me, but I do video game content instead of real life content. It is about cars in video games, but still video games. So if you like Gran Turismo 7, if you like Grand Theft Auto Online, if you like Forza Motorsport or Forza Horizon, if you like stuff like that, go give it a shout. I'm gonna upload on that channel hopefully every other day, because again, this is my main channel. I care a lot about this channel. I say a lot on that channel, on my second channel. I say all the time on that channel how that channel isn't. Oh hey, that was my that was my best friend's dad. Like, what is going on? I'm seeing everybody I know today. But anyway, yeah, like on that channel, I say all the time how it's not really my #1 priority. I don't care if that channel blows up and gets millions of views. I just made that channel for something that's kind of fun to do because I like playing video games, and so I wanted to make videos on them. I see all these videos of other people ranking cars in video games, and it's like, that sounds like so much fun to do. And so I made it myself. So that channel, there's been weeks where I haven't uploaded, like literally like 2 weeks straight where I just don't upload a video because it's not a priority for me on that channel. So just don't expect me to be like super consistent over there and super serious about it over there, because that's not how that channel is. It's just for fun for me personally. I don't care about any of the views. I don't care about anything on that channel, honestly. Like I really don't. It's just for fun. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's an update on Mark Roden's life. I feel like I'm definitely forgetting a pretty big thing right now, if I'm being honest, but I can't really think of it right now. So I guess we're gonna have to wait and see, partner. But yeah, in terms of the channel, I set myself a good little upload schedule. But in terms of like the actual like difference in videos, probably nothing's gonna change really. Just gonna be doing the same videos. In terms of life, I'm just still trying to figure out what to do with the money I have. I saved up a lot of money over the years, and at this point, like I said, I'm just trying to figure out how to spend that smartly and not make a bad decision. Because I could just buy like a BMW M4 and I would be super happy for like a month until I started realizing, wow, I'm in debt now. And so I got to figure out what to do there. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching for all these years, obviously. It's been insane. Thank you guys for if you watched all the way until the end of this video, that means you obviously care a little bit about me. So thank you. I mean, I'm just a dude, and you care this much to watch a 10-minute, well, it's probably actually longer than 10 minutes, honestly, long video though, about, also my brakes are pretty bad, I know, you don't gotta roast me, but you cared enough to watch a 10-minute long video. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Das Vidania, and have a nice night. Woo!